welcome back to today's video. Today I'm going to talk about a hair oil which is a virgin coconut hair oil, and we all know the benefits of this virgin coconut hair oil, right? So yes, I have been using a new product on my hair since 7 or 8 days, and I was quite liking it. So I thought of making a video and presenting the product to all of you also, so that if you like it, you can also go ahead and buy it. So let's get started. Guys, I was talking about this hair oil. This is from the brand Owl Pure. This is a virgin coconut hair oil. It doesn't have any chemical. It is totally natural, and the bottle which you can see is of 200 ml, and this doesn't have any outer packaging. When it came just like this. The packaging is very decent. I can't see anything fancy in here, but I liked the packaging. It's quite sturdy anyway. And the shelf life of this product is 24 months, and the price that you have to pay is 480. Now it has multi-purpose benefits. That means you can use it on your hair, you can use it on your face to moisturize your face. It is very good. As it is winter time, you can use this oil in your hands, on your face, and I'm telling you guys, virgin coconut oil is very good for our hair and for our skin. And if you want, you can use it in cooking also. I haven't cooked anything with extra virgin coconut oil, but I have heard those who can cook, they can really cook well with this virgin coconut oil thing. And yes, it is a very good moisturizer. What I was talking about, if you have dryness and flaky skin, then you can use this oil on your face also, and I'm telling you, within 10 days you will find a difference. If you have even cracked heels, night time before you are going to bed, you can take little bit of coconut oil and put it on your that cracked heels, then wear a socks and then go to sleep. Do like this for 7-8 days. You will find a difference. By the way, when I'm talking about cracked heels, then you can use this coconut oil with little bit of rice flour. Make it as a scrub, and then first scrub it and then put this coconut oil. If you have time, or if you don't have time, then you can just put this coconut oil on your cracked heels and then massage a bit and put the socks and go to sleep. And after 7-8 days you'll find a huge difference. If you have chapped lips, then also you can put this oil. It is safe for your lips, so it has enormous benefits, guys. Now this oil is frozen. I want you to show you the application. For that I have to first melt this oil, so let's do it. So guys, I have taken that oil out from the bottle, and this is how it looks exactly. The oil is frozen, so I have to melt it. I'm just putting it in the microwave, as you can see. After melting the oil, this is what I got. I'm just using my fingertips to spread this oil a bit. And yes, you have to concentrate on your roots. That is the main thing. Obviously, the length is also important. Especially, I always talk about the ends, which becomes dry. If it is possible for you, then you need to keep this oil overnight. And if you have any problem, I have talked about this also, like sinus, migraine, then you don't have to keep it overnight. That can cause a lot of problem for you. Then keep it at least for 40 minutes, and then wash it out with a normal shampoo. Definitely a shampoo which doesn't dry your hair actually. So I have used this oil and it is really good. The smell of this oil is of a sweet kind, and I love the smell. I haven't found this smell anywhere else. Every oil has a different smell, and this oil is also having a different sort of a smell, and it is hard to describe any smell, and after this, when you will wash your hair, you will find that your hair has become soft. You can see my hair, it is not frizzy at all because yesterday I have applied this oil. I am applying this oil right now on a regular basis. I think this is my 8th or 9th day I am applying this oil, and I have found a huge difference in my hair quality. The frizziness, you can see today my hair was almost tamed, right? On my previous videos you will find that my hair was not tamed. It's just because I was using oil almost every day. I use it and I keep it till 40 minutes and then I just wash it off with a normal shampoo. It works for me, guys. It really works for me. Now you have to put this oil from the root till the end, like this. And one more thing is important, that when you are putting any hair oil on your hair, it is very important that you make it warm and then you use it. You can double boil it, you can put it in the microwave and warm it, but never boil any oil directly. It is not really good for it. It loses all the nutrients which it is having actually. And if you do this oiling thing at least thrice a week, it is going to help your hair a lot. You will have a healthy hair, voluminous hair, and your scalp will be healthy. I am telling you that. And extra virgin coconut oil is something. Once you start using it, you will find the difference. And even you are removing your makeup, it is really good for that. It doesn't only remove your makeup, it moisturizes your skin as well. And definitely what I have told you, that if you oil your hair thrice a week, I'm not telling every day, it's not possible, maybe thrice a week, your hair will get a healthy look. I'm telling you, trust me, and it will help you in your hair growth process also. Guys, if you have liked this video, drop a like, leave a comment behind, and do subscribe to my channel with the bell icon. And until my next video comes, stay happy, stay blessed, God bless, tata, bye bye.